Jeff Phillips, rest in peace. Guru Khalsa, best style. And my friend Cody McIntyre, fucking tenacious. Kalis, like Josh Kalis. Oh, he did a DC demo. Got his fucking autograph on a hat that I still have. He also lived in Texas for a while too. Fucking do it for yourself. Yeah, don't worry if the camera's there. Just do it because you want to do it. You know, for you, challenge yourself. Best advice Peter's ever given me. When that dude says something, you kind of gotta listen to it. Number one, they got the best dude in charge of it all, John Lucero. He's a rad dude, he loves skateboarding. Riding for Black Label, it's just riding for a team that has so much history with a lot of my favorite skaters that I've rode for him in the past. Fucking Cardiel, Jason Adams, Hensley, like, you know, we got kind of a big squad of names through the years, and it's just got a really awesome feel to it, and pretty proud of it. Hewitt, Lance, Grasso, Cardiel, go with Lucero. We're all gonna go to the Lost Skate Park in Japan. We're gonna skate and drink sake until it comes out of our ears.
Flat ground filibuster.
As many flat ground tricks as possible.